am doing a Halsey transformation today. Nobody requested it, nobody asked me for it, I just want to do it. So Halsey, real name Ashley Nicolette Frangipani, is an American singer-songwriter. She's 23 years old and she is probably the most badass lady ever. She's hot. I like her. I just realized today, actually I didn't realize, I just read it on Wikipedia, that Halsey is an anagram for her real name Ashley, which makes so much sense. I can't believe I didn't see it, but whatever. Today I'm doing a transformation of her because I want to do it. That's what we're doing today. If you don't like her, if you don't listen to her music, that's fine. You can still watch this video because I'm in it. I swear I'm not fame. Oh god. I actually looked up some pictures and videos and whatnot on the internet, and I think that Halsey has the same sort of complexion as me. I might be actually a bit paler. What? Actually no, I'm probably around the same kind of complexion wise. She's quite fair, I'm quite fair. Hence I'm going to go ahead and do my basic foundation concealing routine off camera. Because there is no point in doing it, you know? Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so foundation concealer done. Now, while I am still looking all sexy with my setting powder, I'm actually going to get started on her contour. Halsey has a very much more structured face than me. She has much more deeply sunken in cheeks, I guess, and a very strong jaw. I kind of have a softer face, so I'm gonna have to somehow replicate her strong jaw with contours. She also has kind of a narrower forehead, so I'm going to repeat this over here on my temples. So now it's time to move on to the eyebrows. Halsey has similar brows to mine, but they're more on like a cool brownish tone, and they're a bit kind of straighter rather than terribly arched, you know? Now, although Halsey is not one to shy away from bold makeup or from bold lips, I'm actually going to be basing the rest of the makeup of her Now or Never music video. In the video, she was seen wearing minimal makeup, starting with her eyes. In some shots of the video, it seems like she has nothing on her eyes. Meanwhile, in others, it seems like she almost has kind of a gold pigment on them. So I'm just going to, you know, create something to the best of my ability and kind of wing it. Yeah. Yeah, like a very light kind of a coating of gold. Now, I don't really know if she's wearing any eyeliner. It doesn't look like she is. However, my eyes are kind of more open than hers. Hers are a lot more almond shaped. So to kind of fake that, I'm going to be going in with my pencil black kohl liner, and I'm going to simply add a very kind of messy liner just at the very tip of my eye. This is kind of going to minimize my eye, sort of, and then when I put on the lashes, it would also kind of give it a different shape. I hope this is going to work out. Anyways, you see, it kind of like closes my eyes a bit. I think that's how it looks. Oh yeah, girl. In the video, I think she definitely is wearing some lashes, but they're definitely not as full as how much she usually wears them. I'm going to decide to ignore that and go in with my quite, well, not terribly large, but kind of larger than what she's wearing lashes. Oh yes. analyze the video more, and it seems like she does have some shadows on her lower lash line, so I'm just going to do that real quick. Halsey is very fond of freckles. I don't know if they're her own or she draws them on. So I'm going to try to replicate that somehow. Powder. She doesn't seem to wear too much blush, but I think in the video she's either blushing a bit or she is wearing blush, so I'm going to very, very lightly, you know. Finally, for lips, she's wearing a very, very nude sort of a tone on her lip. I'm going to be kind of mixing these two colors together. Her color is very much on the neutral tone, so this is too pink, this is too orange, and I'm going to somehow just mix it up. Finally, to kind of pull the face together, Halsey has brown eyes, I have blue eyes, hence I'm going to go in with my trusty TDDI brown lenses, and I'll be hopefully looking more like her. Finally, in the video, Halsey is seen with a beautiful turquoise blue wig, and it has some light curls in it. I happen to have a very similar wig that I dyed blue myself. It's from Donna Love Wigs, and this is going to be my Halsey hair. Searching for something that I can reach. I threw on the wig, and I think once you have the wig on, like, no matter how your face is looking, you're gonna look like Halsey, honestly. She's been rocking the kind of blue wig for so long, honestly. It's become sort of her trademark, or at least that's how I see it, so I'm feeling hella Halsey. Okay guys, so this is the very finale of the video. Oh my god. Cool, so I hope you'll give this a go. This is my take on the Halsey look. Yes. Obviously, because my face shape is so different than hers, there are moments where it's kind of obvious that I'm not her, but sometimes when I look in certain angles, I can see glimpses of her, so I'm like really happy with how it turned out. Yes, I think the blue hair really pulls it together though. I think like that's the one thing that's really going to like make it Halsey-fied. I'm going to leave the wig details down below, and if you want to dye your own hair, I'll link the video that I have made. I'm going to put the contact lens details down in the description box below, in the event if you want to buy similar or the same ones. I think the eye color is actually spot on for Halsey's. Hers is like brown with hints of green in them, so I think it's on point. I like it. I kind of like it. I like the result, even if it doesn't really look like her. I'm kind of like still really chill with it because it looks cool regardless. I hope you'll give this a go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video, guys.